The friendly animals gathered for a picnic, sharing stories and laughter, enjoying their time together under. Why did the jungle animals decide to play cards?
Because there were so many cheetahs around.
I hope they didn't get into a lion's share of trouble.
Look at all these fantastic colors! We're making a masterpiece together! It is so much fun to draw with all of my best friends. I think we should add a big, colorful rainbow right here, arching over the sun and clouds. What do you guys think? Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because he was stuffed. I am so sorry for what I did. Me too. I should have thought more about my actions. It's okay. We all make... True friendship means always being there for each other, through good times and challenging moments, offering a helping paw or...